Hey guys, I hope this video finds you well. Thank you so much for stepping into my corner of the world today. Today I am doing a living room spring clean. I don't know about you all, but once the weather starts improving, I get this rush of new motivation. I am all of a sudden so eager to get things ready for summer by deep cleaning and sanitizing. So if you're in need of some cleaning motivation to get you going and tackle your own living room, or just want some good background noise, I got you covered. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Emily. I'm just your average wife, homemaker, and mama. My life is normal and uneventful, and I wouldn't have it any other way. And I would actually love to get to know you all a little bit better, so be sure to say hi down in the comments, and I would love to have a chat with you. That's going to be all for me for now, but welcome once again, and please enjoy the video. In this clip here, you can see my cat start to creep on me in the right-hand corner. She is constantly creeping. Wherever I look, she's in the vicinity somewhere, and she's always attacking, like pouncing on me. It is absolutely hilarious, but kind of annoying at the same time. She definitely interferes when I'm trying to clean, but I do enjoy the company, I must say.
Fuck what you thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better, like you never met me. I'm doing anything I want to. I'm going 0 to 80, so when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down beats too. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I tattoo. Oh, strangers, strangers.
I don't know if you've noticed, but I have a lot of picture frames in my living room, but none of those include my son, and I feel so bad. I just have not gotten any pictures printed of him. It always slips my mind. I always forget. So if you're wondering why I only have pictures of me and my husband, it's because I'm just not on top of my game and have not printed any. I really, really need to get some printed ASAP.
I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Strangers. So when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers.
Okay, friends, so I want to challenge you all with something. I want you to pick one thing that you have been putting off and tackle it this week. It doesn't have to be anything cleaning related, it can be anything. For me, that's making some baked oatmeal that I'm going to freeze for my son. I want you to pick something too. Leave it down in the comments what you choose, and don't forget to circle back later this week and let me know that you completed it.
Hope you get a good deal. Watch me while I tattoo. Strangers.
I could be your hero, but I can't get out of bed. There's too much in my head. I could be more faithful, but I fail at that habit. So I run around instead. I wanna be good to myself. Love hard to breathe more, drink less. I wanna be seen at my best. Sleep more, be nice a lot less. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. January 1, I'ma still need more time. Every single year, yeah, it never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life. I could be your best friend, but I can't pick up my phone. Let it ring cause no one's home. I'm always judging and degrading. I should stop all that, I'm sure, but I'm just too insecure. I wanna be good to myself. Love hard to breathe more, drink less.
Please enjoy these next clips of my cat being super annoying and interrupting my cleaning. My goodness, she is something else. Watching all this footage back, I do realize how much she interferes when I'm trying to get stuff done, but I do love her to pieces. She's so silly, and she does make me laugh a lot.
But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. January 1, I'ma still need more time. Every single year, yeah, it never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life. So tell me who's gonna love you.
Next, I started dusting my plate wall. I love this section of my house. All of these plates I have accumulated over the years. Some of them are brand new that I bought from Anthropology. Some are from garage sales. Some are gifted to me. I just love that even though all the plates are so different, they each have a story and they create just a beautiful, unique space in my home.
you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight?
I like this little time we have together, just talking.
That night, after my son went to bed, I started on cleaning the carpets. I decided to do both the living room and the playroom carpet, so I took all of the toys and extra things that I could move in order to clean as much space as possible. I used my mother-in-law's carpet cleaner. I do not have a carpet cleaner of my own, and this is like a really, really old school carpet cleaner, but it actually worked pretty good. And the carpet, although definitely is not perfect, it looks so much better. I have hired carpet cleaners in the past, and it's really not that much money, but hey, if I can do it myself, why not? And it really does look a lot better.
Alone in this room. Don't lie, you're so high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you. Just like these blue skies, your eyes, my sunrise. I don't know where to go. You keep me like calypso when I'm with you. One single place turns into space. I'm holding on to you, and now that you're falling, I wanna come to. I want us to stay here forever, alone in this room. Don't lie, so high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you. And just
Okay, friends, so as we are coming to a close, I want to thank you so much for watching. I know that there are so many other things that you could be doing besides watching YouTube, so it means the world to me that you are choosing to hang out with me here. If you enjoyed any part of this video or found it entertaining, helpful, or motivating, would you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to check back in next week for another video. Also, don't forget to check back in with me if you completed your challenge for the week. I want to hear from you if you were able to tackle that one thing that you've been putting off. Until next time, bye!